In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect headphones in Audacity quickly and correctly, whether you're using wired headphones, USB headphones, or Bluetooth headphones. This is a super useful setup if you want to listen back to your recordings privately, monitor your audio more clearly, or make sure Audacity is sending sound to the right device. And the best part is, you do not need to restart the entire app if your headphones are plugged in after Audacity has already opened. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump in. First, make sure your headphones are actually plugged in or connected. If you're using wired headphones, connect them to your computer's headphone jack or USB port. If you're using USB headphones, plug them into an available USB port. And if you're using Bluetooth headphones, pair them with your computer first so they show up as an available audio device. This part is important because Audacity can only detect devices that your computer already recognizes. Now, open Audacity if it isn't already open. One thing to keep in mind is that Audacity only searches for audio devices when it first launches. So if you connected your headphones after opening the program, Audacity may not automatically see them yet. That is exactly why the next step matters. Look at the toolbar at the top in Audacity and find the Audio Setup button. This is where Audacity lets you manage your playback and recording devices. Click on Audio Setup, and from the menu that appears, choose Rescan Audio Devices. This forces Audacity to search your system again and refresh the list of available devices. In other words, it gives Audacity a second chance to detect your headphones without you having to close and reopen the software. After the rescan finishes, click Audio Setup again. This time hover over Playback Device. A list of available output devices should appear, including your connected headphones. If you don't see them right away, take a moment to make sure they're properly connected, powered on, and selected by your computer's operating system. Once you see your headphones in the list, click on them to set them as your playback device. This tells Audacity to send all playback audio through your headphones instead of your speakers or another output device. After selecting them, you should be able to listen to your audio directly through the headphones and monitor your project much more comfortably. If you want to double-check that everything is working, play back a small section of audio inside Audacity. If the sound comes through your headphones, then you've done it correctly. If you still hear audio from your speakers, go back into Audio Setup and make sure the correct playback device is selected. Sometimes the system may switch back to default output settings, especially after plugging in new devices. And just to repeat the key point here, if Audacity was already open before you connected your headphones, you usually do not need to restart the app. Just use Rescan Audio Devices, then choose your headphones from the playback device list. That simple refresh is usually enough to make everything show up correctly. That's how to connect headphones in Audacity the easy way. I hope this helped you get set up faster and avoid the frustration of not seeing your headphones in the device list. If it did, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.